Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we have the next question on the board, question 21. A square has diagonal length of 10 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the square. So these are the options given to us. So what is a square? A square is a plane figure which has all the four sides to be equal. So let's solve the problem. So we have solution. All right. So a square, like I said, has all the four sides to be equal. So this is a square. Let me make it a little bit wide. Good. So this is a square. So that simply means that if this side is side S, this is side S, this is also going to be side S, side S. All the sides are equal. So if this one is 2 centimeters, this has to be 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters to make them to be equal. So when you have a shape of 4, of which all the sides are equal, that's said to be a what? A square. You understand? So, and we are asked to find the perimeter of the square. So with perimeter now, perimeter simply means you are adding all the sides together. So which means I can have it like this. S plus S plus S plus S. If you add these fours together, what do you have? You have 4S. So formula of perimeter of a square is simply what? 4S. You understand that? But the challenge we have now is that we don't even know the side. But we are given something to help us to find the side. Diagonal length of 10 centimeters. So diagonal of a square simply means you are starting from one edge to another edge. Like that's the meaning of diagonal. Let me put that as D. We are given it to be 10 centimeters. All right. So with this now we can find the side. So if you look at what we have inside that square now, we have a right angle or triangle, which means you can apply what Pythagoras theorem to that to solve the value of what S. So Pythagoras theorem to this now, this is the hypotenuse side. So we are going to have d squared equals to S squared plus what? S squared. And this will give us d squared equals to what? 2S squared. So we are looking for the value of d, not d squared. So we take the square root of both sides. D will be equals to square root of 2S squared. So this is going to be d equals to square root of 2. Let us leave it as square root of 2. Then S squared, square root of S squared is what? Simply S. So if you rearrange this, it's same thing as saying what? S root 2. So diagonal formula of a square is what? S root 2. So with that now we can put in the value for what diagonal here to get the value of both sides. So if I do that, diagonal is this. Let me write it out here. So diagonal value is 10 centimeters. If I put it here, that will give me 10 equals to S root 2. Then we divide both sides by root 2. Divide both sides by root 2 so that this will eliminate this out. So we are left with the side. Let me use this space for that. So we are going to be left with what? Side equals to 10 over root 2. But this is not proper because this is actually Zod. Okay? Then when you have something like this in the rule of Zod, the denominator must not be having a root. So you have to rationalize. So let us rationalize this together. We have times root 2 over what? Root 2. So S will be equals to 10 times root 2 will give us 10 root 2. Then root 2 times root 2 will give us what? 2. All right. So if you can divide this now, 2 here 1, 2 here what? 5. So the side is 5 root 2. We have gotten the side. So in that case, we can now find the perimeter of the what? Of the square. So let's go back to the formula of perimeter of a square. Therefore, perimeter is 4S, which means you are going to have perimeter to be 4 multiplied by 5 root 2. And that's perimeter equals to what? 20 root 2 centimeters. And that is option what? Option C. So the correct answer is option C. That's how to find the perimeter of a square. All right. So that will be the solution to the problem. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Facebook page and TikTok page. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.